it's gonna be rain. It's gonna be clear. Well, good luck, guys. Okay, first thing first. What you need to do there is you have to open up the cover of the side panel for the switch to be able to go out, right? Okay, what you do is you, with a special tool or your finger, you pull it out a little bit so it's behind here, and then after that you slightly twist it out from your right hand, and then slowly you push down the right panel. There. You see? Once it's go out, then you have to use a screwdriver, the Phillips. The Phillips screwdriver for you to open up that switch. There's 3 screws here. Put it aside first. Okay. You can see it here. This is the broken switch, right? So what you need to do is just push the real, press it, so for you to unplug the wire, right? Okay, out. Out the broken one. Okay, I got it from the supplier. I will give it the detail, the full detail of the supplier names on the description later. All right. So this is the replacement. Okay. In, plug in. Okay. Before you properly tight screw everything, it's better for you to try. Testing. All right. Whether they are properly functioning. Okay. So everything is okay. All right. It function. Compare with the broken switch last time. The reclining seat won't be reclined. Okay. I have diagnosed it. The switch is broken. So I have to get a new spare part for the switch only. Okay. Now to fit back. All right. You have to put in back. There are 3 screws here. Just enough to hold it. And then simple step, just put it back. Okay. Start with the left hand going up. Remember, there's a, what do you call this? Group. Move forward a bit, so you'll be able to access for the real one. Okay, insert here. Okay, fit that. I have to put some slant there. Okay, you hear the click, guys? Lower the seat. Some of the hard way. Then I took it out. Some screw and the nuts. Okay. Some of the part. Okay, this is go here, the cover. This will be on the bottom. Just slide. And then this will be for the chair. It's very simple, guys. Just slide in. Oops. I say it's simple. It should be simple. Just like that. Voila. Look. Step by step, guys. Screw in back. Okay. Voila. Okay, the function of this thing is for you to move near toward your next pilot seat. You see, just pull it out like this, so you can slide it. So it's become near toward the side passenger, right? It's like that. It's very simple, very practical. Right? Put it back, and then there's a cover for it. And this is something is like this. Okay. This. Oh, just like that. Okay. For future, just pull it out. And then this is the mechanism, cable. Just like that. So the seat will be near, next to it. Right? Back to the original position. Pull it. Release. Then cover back. Cover back. That's all. Okay? And okay. The rear cover. There's so many covers, but it is just a plastic ABS cover. You see? Okay. Make sure that everything is tight and fit before we put it back. I think it's very simple, guys. You see? There's a slide. Okay. Actually, if you wanted to open it, the best tool is some sort, just like if you have a plastic plier, you see. I not advise you to use this type of screw. This is iron for you to able to open it up. The best way is to use the plastic, so you won't damage your part later. Okay, that is for the opening. Okay, installation is very simple. It's very straightforward. Pull it out, push it in. Hear the click. That's it. You are okay. Okay. This is for the wheel. This thing is a bumper. It will go right here, behind here. Okay. There's screw here, right? It will be screw in here, like that. Okay. Let's go into put in here. It's good to have this T for you to tight the what do you call this, your screw. This is size 10 mm, 10 millimeter. Okay. Fastener, which will be right inside here, behind here. All right. Okay. Here. There you go. Right here. The cover. Okay. This is the cover. All right. Yep. Got it. This one must go in first. Okay, the longer clip. And the shorter will be just by pressing it in. Yep. Done. Okay, that's all. Done installation for the pilot seat switch.